Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to make some hamburger soup. I'm cooking on the stove today because it's trying to storm out here and I don't want the electric to go off. I was going to use my electric pressure cooker, my Instant Pot. But I said I cook on the stove. I ain't got to worry about the electric. So I'm using, I think this is 2 pounds of lean ground beef. I'll be using corn, mixed vegetables. Well, I was going to use string beans, but it's in the mixed vegetables. I'm using some salsa. And I'll be using some cheese ravioli. I might put some red beans in it, because I like a good soup. And I'm going to season it with some Taco Bell taco mix. And for the liquid, I'm using chicken broth. And it won't taste like chicken. So I got the meat browning. I'm going to lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Where's the other thing? Got the meat in here. Browning. So I'll be back when the meat is cooked. Then I'll add the other stuff. And I'm not even going to season it until the meat is completely done. Because all the seasoning is going to do is make the meat dark, and I ain't going to be able to tell if it's done or not. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, the meat is done. So now I'm going to season it. Got 2 packs of taco mix. I'm going to put the liquid in here now. I'll stir up this seasoning mix. Show y'all what I'm doing. That's how it looks. Smelling good. Okay, got some potatoes, some little bitty potatoes I just peeled. Put these in here so they can be cooking while I add the other stuff. They're little bitty, so they're going to take long for them to cook. This size, tiny potatoes. You can put whatever you want in hamburger soup. Make it like you make chili. And I decided to put some red beans in it. 1 can of red beans. If you can't cook, you can cook this. And it'll be so good. It's fussy because I'm going to put this salsa in it. You know, you're going to have to pick out the stuff. Okay. And the beans. Put, these are dark red kidney beans. Put the juice and all. Pan. Drain the juice out the corn. Not a lot of corn in it. 2 cans of corn. Adding the mixed vegetables. I'm draining all these cans. I'm gonna add, it's pretty and colorful. It's gonna be good. Some cheese ravioli. This is in the frozen section. I got this from Walmart. The little pillows of cheese. Y'all know what ravioli is. It's like that. It's frozen. So put it down under. Cook. Sometimes I make corn muffins with it, but I'm not today. I got some oyster crackers. Eat that. That's good. I'm gonna add the salsa. Regular, I got the mild salsa just in case Amber brings the baby over and he wants some. I like mine soupier than this. I add some more chicken broth. Taste this, see what other seasoning it needs. I don't have a recipe for this. I just cook. I should have put this in here. Get all this goodness out of it. Now I'm going to taste the juice. Taste that. Wow. Has enough salt in it. I'm going to add some pepper. Black pepper, love pepper. There's white pepper, black pepper, red pepper. I love this thing. And so what's this here sauce? I put it in this oil sprayer. And it sprays nicely. Worcestershire sauce. Sounds like a lot of juice. I like my chili soupy. I like my spaghetti sauce soupy. I like my red bean soupy. I like the juice. Let's see. Oh my. Don't need another nothing. Don't need nothing but a good letting alone. Pushing these raviolis under the juice. Put the top on it. And bring it to a simmer. Turn the fire down a little. Okay, I'll be back when it's doing something. Okay, y'all. My hamburger soup is done. Cut this overhead fan off because it's super loud. I'm going to show y'all how it looks. I'm going to put all that goodness up in there. Ravioli hamburger soup. Vegetable soup. You can call it hobo soup. Some of everything is in it. Good thumbnail. Have to take the camera off, I believe. Yeah. Okay, look at that, look at that, look at that, y'all. Hamburger ravioli soup. All that goodness. Pretty and colorful. Look at that. Trying to get a good thumbnail. Come and dish me up a bowl. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna dip up my food. I'm supposed to be cleaning up because we're gonna have house guests on the weekend. And right now, she ain't got nowhere to sleep because that guest room bed full of wigs. I know it's trifling. I know. I want juice. Wipe this rim of this bowl off. Whole bowl. Okay. Turn the fire off. Just turn the fire off. I need something to hold this bowl because it's hot. Hamburger soup with cheese ravioli. I'm gonna taste it for y'all, but y'all see the steam. Super, super hot. I'll put that right there. I'm letting that spoonful cool. But in the meanwhile, I'm going to end this. I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Oh, it's early, 12:15 in the afternoon. It's rainy. It didn't storm, but it was thundering a lot, and it's raining now. And it's kind of cool out, which I don't mind. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Some hot sauce. I want the Old Bay hot sauce. Okay. Let's try this again. I'm going to cut a piece of the ravioli with the cheese up in it. Some of that juice. It's hot, y'all. This kind of stuff will burn your taste buds off. You can't taste nothing else for a week. This is a good, hearty, savory hamburger soup. It's so good. So, bon appetit.